In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear the cache on Hostinger to speed up your website in 2023. If your website has been feeling sluggish, clearing the cache can help refresh your content delivery and improve loading times. I'll guide you through each step so you can ensure your site is running as efficiently as possible. To start, open your web browser and head over to the Hostinger homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account where you manage your hosting. Having logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard of Hostinger's hPanel. This is the central hub from which you'll navigate to various sections that manage different aspects of your hosting and website. Now, look for the Websites tab, typically located on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking on this will direct you to a page that lists all the websites you currently host with Hostinger. This page gives you a quick overview of all your hosted domains and allows you to dive deeper into their settings. Next, select the website you want to work on by clicking Dashboard. This is where you manage the different settings and performance metrics for your chosen site. Once you're on the dashboard, locate and click the Performance tab from the side menu. This section of the hPanel provides tools and features dedicated to optimizing your website's speed and efficiency. Within the Performance tab, you'll find a subsection labeled Object Cache. Click on it to proceed. Object caching temporarily stores database query results in order to reduce the load on your database server, increasing the speed of your site. After exploring the object cache, navigate to the Performance settings once more. This area houses options for additional enhancements. Your next step here is to select CDN, which stands for Content Delivery Network. A CDN helps distribute the load of delivering content by caching your site's files at various locations around the world. Finally, you'll see an option to flush cache. By clicking on this, you're effectively clearing out the old cached files, which makes way for new, more updated ones to be served to your visitors. This step can help ensure your visitors are getting the most recent content and enjoying faster loading times. Congratulations, you've just cleared the cache on your Hostinger website. Cleansing your cache is a simple yet effective routine to keep your website performing at its best. Regularly updating and clearing cached data can prevent potential performance bottlenecks, ensuring a seamless experience for your audience. Implement these steps regularly, and your site should continue to run smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.